Since time immemorial, humans have been extremely interested about understanding about the planet Earth, why the planets are the shape they are. If you take a closer look at our current world map, you will see that about there are 7 planets. But if you take a closer picture, you will understand, you'll see that it looks as if all the planets were part of one big puzzle. If you take a closer look at South America and Africa, you will see that the southeast part of South America and the southwest of Africa look as if they're part of one landmass. And similar was the case about North America and Europe. And certainly, yes, all the landmass was a part of a supercontinent 300 million years ago called Pangea. So how did we even find this out? The scientific evidence for this came from coal deposits and fossil fuels that was found. The coal deposits that were found in Pennsylvania have a similar composition to those spanning Poland, Great Britain, Germany from the same time period. This indicates North America and Europe must have been a single landmass. Similarly, a freshwater reptile fossil, Mesosaurus, was found in both South America and Africa. That being a freshwater reptile, it couldn't have crossed the Atlantic, which further confirms this theory. So, what is the science behind this? How is the land moving, drifting apart and coming together? This was first discussed in 1912 by geophysicist Alfred Weiner, and he, through his research about the theory of continental drift. If you closely look at the Earth, it has 3 layers: crust, mantle, and core. The topmost layer, crust, is a solid rock, and followed by the mantle layer. The mantle layer has a molten rock material, and the core, which provides the heat that comes from the core, circulates the molten rock in the mantle, which causes convectional circulation, due to which the rock and the land on the crust moves and causes the shift. This happens. This shift causes the drifting apart and coming together of the continent every few 100 million years. According to the latest research, the land moves 5 inches every year, and in a few 100 million years, the continents won't look the way they are. All the continents will become one supercontinent. Thank you.